Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going over the Emini S&P 500 index futures, the big one in the futures market, and we're starting off looking at a daily chart, currently trading 1093.75. You can see here over the past week or so we have had a run back up after breaking of these most recent lows here on the daily chart. We broke lows, tested down into what was our target on the daily and weekly charts, which you can see here from that large sell-off area. We had participation and we had a sell-off down into our target was down here at, we were basically targeting 994, 993 area. Got all the way down and bounced at 1002.50s, 1002.75s, and we have since seen nothing but strength and covering up into that bearish level on the weekly chart. Now if we take a look on a 15-minute chart, we go down to a smaller time frame, we can see here the next sequence on the buy side is here at 1085.75s. That area has been respected once, twice. We tested the breakdown level and then have since bounced again and have not broken these 1099 highs. Once we break these 1099 highs, that will lead us into the target, which the target from those 1085s is all the way up at 1105.50s. Now if we continue to look up, as these sequences continue to move higher, we can anticipate a serious bearish participation routine up here at 1120. Okay, 1120, because that target was not hit on the daily chart. If we look back on the daily chart, we can see that that original short target was never hit. Okay, you can see here we get all the way down to 1102, 1102.75, 1102.25, and we never break down to the target. So that is still an open target, which means people are going to be looking at this as a double top up here, a little short-term double top, possibly forming at that bearish resistance area. Now, if we break out of the 15-minute measured move, this is where things get interesting. If right now we break to the downside, which means we break out of that 15-minute measured move, the next opportunity, or the first opportunity really, for long-term daily and weekly traders on the chart here, the first opportunity for them to get into this market and to prove that this is a real rally and not just short covering up into these levels is going to be down here at 1051. 1051 to 1038.50s. That is the area where the bulls will pick this thing back up. And look at the target. The target is right back up there, right on the short level, right on the extended short level from the weekly chart that we had traded into already and that has already been respected. So things getting very interesting. If we break down on the 15-minute chart, anticipate support at those 1050s back up into that short area at 1120 even. So very interesting. And then from there, it's straight down to the target. So some interesting plays setting up. Hopefully everyone has had a good trading week. If you've got any questions or comments on this chart or any of the other ones we go over, stop by the website, www.pillartrading.com. We try and get those questions answered as quick as we can. So hopefully everyone has a good day, and I will see you all in the next video.